Okay, so in this video we are going to use the Vision Resource Center and we're going to register for an event. And we are going to use the Spring 2020 Kickoff as an example. So I'm in the mix of writing things and I'll be sending out a little bit more detailed, but the location of the event is going to be Holmes Hall, lecture room in the basement, or B6. Tentative schedule is going to be from 9 to about noonish. And we're celebrating, right, the 90th anniversary of City College, transforming lives for 90 years. Okay, so let's see how we're going to do this. In the quick guide, I indicated that you have 3 steps. First, we're going to log into the Vision Resource Center, so maybe I should have added that. Second, we're going to locate the date. Third, we're going to click Request, and your name would be added to the roster. And you should receive an email. I am still working on that detail. So, in the email that I gave you, the Eiffel Tower and the backdrop. So let's see, where did that email go? I have quite a bit. No. Somehow I lost that email. Oh, here. Okay, so register. And so I'm going to click the register button. And so if you're not logged into the portal, you're going to have to put your credentials to log in. And this should take you here, the Vision Resource Center. So we're going to click the Vision Resource Center. Then I just found out this nifty trick. Here you could search, and we could do the Spring 2020 Kickoff. And then for you, you should see a button here that says request, because I am the instructor. I have a different screen. So you would just click that I think it's request. And then what you'll see here is, it should say that you've completed. Second thing is that when I look at the details, let's see, of course, always when you're going through this, as an example, oh here, details. Again, you'll see the request button, but for me, it will tell me the seats available, who's registered, and I can view the student roster. And if you view the student roster, these are the individuals who are currently enrolled for that event. And if your name's not there, there was an error in the request. Now, if you didn't use the search and you were back at the home, I don't know, I'm having difficulties. Okay, welcome. Then this calendar button is another area that you would be able to find the event. Then you will click the arrow here, and then since our event is the Spring 2020 Kickoff, you will click here, and again you will click you will see request. So let me just show you here. If I was to go to West LA Spring Summit, this is the button that you would see, and you would hit request, and then it will go straight to your transcript, and therefore it would say view training. Now, if I don't want to go to that event, then I could just quickly hit the withdrawal, and then I'm no longer attending that particular event. I hope this helps, and we're all done and done.